So why the talented people break? So what is the lack in them? So I want to bring that inner clarity, alignment, discipline, the purpose, how it has to be strengthened.
Can I ask the entire book 3 golden rule about that become a leader? नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे पॉडकास्ट में एक सच्चे टैलेंटेड एंड राइटर, मोटिवेशनल बुक्स लिखने वाले और मोर देन 20 इयर्स एक्सपीरियंस रखने वाले जेएन भी बेलारी से 1999 पास आउट हैं. थैंक यू सो मच पंपैया भैया. कैन यू शेयर समथिंग एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट कहाँ से आइडिया आ गया बुक लिखने का है एंड इट्स लाइक ए लीडरशिप क्वालिटी एंड कुछ सीक्रेट्स हमारे बहुत सारे नवोदय जो 12th पास आउट करेंगे उनके लिए रोल मॉडल हैं और बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस आज आपसे सीखने को मिलेगा. कैन यू शेयर समथिंग?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you for this opportunity. It came out from the observations of observing the people in the factory, in the boardrooms. So why the talented people break? So what is the lack in them? So I want to bring that inner clarity, alignment, discipline, the purpose, how it has to be strengthened. If you want to lead external world, you should be strengthened from inside. So that is called my book titled The Inner Engine.
When did this book? How many years now?
So I wrote the 1 month back I launched it. So
okay.
December
Now it's available in online or how?
Yes, it is available in the Amazon, Flipkart and Jiffy Books, and
Okay.
it is for the Indian as well as overseas market. Both it
Okay.
is available. It is for the students, early stage managers, leaders. Everyone can get the benefit out of it.
Super.
And that is a book about.
Can I ask the entire book 3 golden rule about that become a leader? Entire your 20 years experience, written the book, only 3 things. ज़्यादा जानने के लिए लिंक में इनकी बुक है, एक बार बाय द बुक. वैसे मैं 3 थिंग्स बता रहा हूँ जो इनके गोल्डन लाइक क्या 3 थिंग्स के शेयर करना चाहेंगे लाइक.
So you have to find out who are you, your identity,
Okay.
your
What is
clarity.
Your clarity.
And your purpose.
What
So when
purpose?
your identity, clarity and purpose are clear and you can become a inner self leader. So when you
Okay.
lead like yourself, you are strong, then you are capable of leading our external world.
Super.
That way.
That is the book, and the book title is the engine.
The Inner Engine.
So this is enough for like the part 2, part 3 also. Will
So
come.
it is going to come in a series of book. There is one more series which is going to come up.
Okay.
So it is for to benefit all the levels of people and for the industry people, students, homemakers, anyone can take a benefit out of it.
Super.
So that is all about. It is written from the whatever
Experience.
I lived. 20
Okay.
years I spent in the industry. I lived my own experiences. It is having a great tools, frameworks.
Which is cost that book for?
So the book is available for Indian market is 289 rupees.
It's a very reasonable यार. पानीपुरी नहीं आता इतने में तो हमारे इंदिरा नगर में. It's a very reasonable. 289 है. If you learn one thing, then life becomes success and you'll become a powerful leader. So in the return of motivational यानी उसके टाइटल पे लिखा है such a beautiful book, you should buy and read. और हो सके तो अपने स्टाफ और टीम को भी ये ज्ञान दीजिए, काम आए. Thank you so much sharing your experience.
Thank you.
Love you. नवोदयंस शेयर कीजिए इस वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. Finally, thanks for watching this video. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.